By default, call recording is turned off on Samsung Galaxy devices. If you want to record phone calls on your Galaxy S26 series or any One UI 8.5 device, you first need to enable call recording. Once enabled, you can automatically record all calls, calls from unknown numbers, or calls from specific contacts. Let's see how to turn this on. First, open the phone app on your Samsung device. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner, then go to Settings. Here you'll find the Record Calls option. Tap on it. Inside, you'll see several call recording settings, such as Auto Record Calls, Show Notification After Recording, Recorded Call List, and Auto Delete recordings older than 1 month. To automatically record calls, tap Auto Record Calls and turn it on. Now you'll see multiple options. All Calls automatically records every incoming and outgoing call. Calls with unsaved numbers records calls only from unknown or unsaved numbers. Calls with specific numbers lets you choose particular contacts or phone numbers to record automatically. You can enter numbers manually or select them from your contacts. All calls except specific numbers records all calls except the contacts you exclude. Choose the option that best fits your needs. Going back, you'll also see additional recording settings. Show Notification After Recording shows a notification once a call is recorded. Recorded Calls view all previously recorded calls. Auto Delete recordings older than 1 month. It helps save storage by automatically removing old recordings. You'll also notice the Transcript Assist feature at the top. This uses Galaxy AI to transcribe, summarize, and translate your recorded calls. Open Transcript Assist. Scroll down and toggle on Auto Transcribe Recorder Calls, and your recorded calls can be automatically converted into text transcripts. You can change the transcript language. English is usually selected by default based on your region, but you can download and add other languages as well. And that's it. These are all the call recording settings you should know on your Samsung Galaxy S26 series running One UI 8.5.